Hello and welcome to Rich Rides. This week is something a bit different. I've recently returned from a motorcycle tour in the sort of west of Scotland, so I thought I'd share some videos and some recommendations of places to sort of stop on my favourite road in the west of Scotland. So the road in question is the A82, and you start up the side of Loch Lomond. You ride up to a place called Tarbert, and there's a great place for a cup of tea there. That's Tarbert Tea Room. After you've had your break at Tarbert Tea Room, you continue up the A82, and that's a really nice sort of twisty road. You then have another break stop, and we had food too. Most people stop at a place called the Green Welly, but we tried the Real Food Cafe, and I highly recommend that. The food was good, service was good, everything was really good with it. Sensibly priced too, so I really recommend stopping there if you're heading that way. You then continue up the A82 to Loch Tula, and there's a viewpoint there that's absolutely stunning. And then the final section, once again you stay on the A82, so there's no chance of getting lost on this little route, and you continue all the way to Glencoe itself. And once again there's a fuel station there as well, which we use to sort of top up, but there's a really nice cafe there too. So all in all, this is a great route. Like I say, it's my favourite sort of route on that west side of Scotland. I hope you found that useful. Do please like and subscribe. Ask any questions in the comments, and I'll see you again next week.